Thank you, man. JSA, TRA, and JSA is done as per the part of WMS system, and there is no major concern. The construction is done. We are okay. Review the maintenance management system to confirm the necessary maintenance, and data has been uploaded. So operation and maintenance procedure in place. Guys, do you have operation and maintenance manual now or no? Because I want to take one recommendation. Niyaz or Purnadhan?
Mr. Purnadhan,
we
sir, can
received
you-
manual already
we received the
So,
first
manual.
submission. Please. We received the submission, I think 2 weeks back, and it was commented and returned back to contractor.
Okay, procedure in place and being reviewed
Yes.
by a company. Okay, so no major
No,
concern because this is part of
reviewed,
process.
being under revision by contractor, not reviewed by company, already done.
Acha, okay, being okay under which is under revision.
Yes.
Very good. So can you give me the procedure number? I mean, Nishad, later.
Contractor is not saying anything now.
Yeah, we will send it in the chat box.
Okay.
So guys, contractor, I need your active participation, my friend. Niyaz.
We'll put it in the snag, this thing on the chat box.
Yeah.